Burr. Welcome out to the garage, lady and gentlemen. It is a ball retracting 14 degrees out here, and my wife got me an early Christmas present. So went over to MeNards and she grabbed me this little infrared rolling mantle fireplace. I do think that something like this, some of the space is probably wasted on the aesthetics. But I do think that, I don't know, I like the aesthetic. And so I'm gonna open the thing up and see if we can make this garage a titty bit less snipply. So yeah, let's take a look at this thing and see if it can heat this place up. I probably wouldn't do something like this if I didn't have solar panels and extra, solar credits to burn through a little bit at the end of the year. So yeah, let's see how this worky. Alrighty, got some of the initial packaging out of the way. And look at this nifty little label. Warning, risk of heat. Oh, that's perfectly acceptable. Stroke. Hyperthermia. I thought that's what I was trying to avoid. I'm so confused. I think this needs to go. So, in case anybody's wondering, this is the one that it is. If that helps you at all. It wasn't too terribly expensive. It was less than $100 on the sale. So heats up to 1,000 square feet. This is definitely not that. It's about a 3-car. It's like a 2-car, but with a little bit more depth to it. Anyhows, get this thing fired up. Ooh. Up. Look at that. Just looking at that, I think I can almost feel my balls descending just a little bit. Ooh, that's gonna be nice. Hopefully it doesn't smell too bad. Like that, don't want to get heat stroke. Oh, I'm excited. So maybe I can get back to some more stuff. It's just been kind of, man, when it's this cold out here, it just kind of kills the desire just a little bit to come back out here. So, wow. Yeah. Nice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Oh yeah, it was buzzing quite a bit when I first turned the sucker on, but now just so you guys can hear what it sounds like. That's not too loud. It's humming along a little bit. It's getting warm. Oh. See ya.